What's the meaning of artillery? Artillery. Artillery.
Artillery. Artillery. Artillery refers to large-caliber weapons used in warfare, such as cannons, howitzers, and rocket launchers. These weapons are used to provide long-range fire support to ground troops or to engage enemy targets from a distance. They are capable of inflicting significant damage to both personnel and structures. Artillery plays a crucial role in modern warfare, and its development has been ongoing since ancient times. In short, artillery is a highly potent weapon system that can engage targets at great distances with devastating effect.